We just dropped the keys off to our friends who are leasing our house, which is so exciting. Today is D-Day. We leave today. Are you so excited?
I'm so excited.
Feel kind of like nervous energy, but also like excited. What an idiot. Jesus. Anyway. How are you feeling, TJ?
I'm tired.
Yay.
Alright, got our first experience filling up the water tanks to stay at a Hipcamp. Found a tap over there, should be pretty awesome. It's a bit weird when you rock up to some random place and just hook up to a tap to fill your tanks up, but
So what'd you just do to us?
filled up water for the first time. It was a success.
Nice.
Success.
Much success?
Much. And now we're about to go to our first Hipcamp.
Yay. Yeah. No, that looks good to me.
Yeah.
Except I think you should actually pull more forward so that the back of the van is in line with the tree, so that anyone else going through can get around us.
I just don't want to be too close to the other guys, you know?
Yeah, but we're not going to be.
Okay, I'll pull up a little bit and then I'll
Yeah.
pull up here.
Yeah. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. Wow. Okay. Well, we just set up at our first Hipcamp, and I reckon it probably took us about 5 minutes. Do you reckon, babe?
For what?
To set up?
Yeah.
So everything that had to be like stowed away so that it doesn't go all through the caravan took me literally only a couple of minutes just to set up. Tyler's got the awning out and we've got the chairs out. We haven't put the mat down just because the grass is so beautiful here. It's actually a turf farm and it's so lush, but there's cows and chickens and ducks. There's a little creek.
Mom,
Yeah, doll.
see the farm animals.
Yeah, we're gonna go see the farm animals, and
See
we're
them soon.
actually gonna go and see our friends Jem and Josh, who are staying in Kingscliff, so it's only about a 20-minute drive back, but we don't mind because we can't wait to see them, go for a swim. Are you excited, TJ? Hello everybody, it's our first day officially after leaving yesterday. So we had our first sleep in the caravan last night on our big lap of Australia, and we're currently in Pottsville at a farm stay. It's super cute. It's a turf farm. The lady was so nice. Her name is Lisa, and they've got cows, chickens, they've got fish, and we just saw an eel in the creek, and ducks and stuff. The creek's not really much for swimming, but yeah, the actual little Hipcamp that's here is like so nice and really perfect for us to kind of ease into the trip, I think. I've been up and I took TJ over to the chickens. The first thing he said when he woke up this morning was, Mum, can I go see the farm animals? So I was like, absolutely. And then I got all their toys out so that they could play, and Jetson's just having a lay down out there as well. It's so nice. There's a really nice light breeze. Like, it is hot, but it's not like scorching hot. I'm gonna make TJ some breakfast, and then I'm gonna make Tyler and I some breakfast.
Mommy, can you, are you? Yeah, how you do?
What is it? I know. Ah.
Oh, stop it. We are just on our way to Pottsville town centre, I guess, to try and find a hardware store. We just need a couple of things, and we're gonna try and go to the beach, but it did just start to rain, so I'm not sure how pleasurable that will be, but at the end of the day I'm gonna get wet anyway, so
and we need beer.
we do. I was wondering if you were gonna get beer today.
Yeah.
Oh, second day in, but you know what, it's all about relaxing and balance, and yes, looking forward to having a wine tonight. I think that'll be really nice. Yeah, I got chicken out of the freezer to have tonight. I should have split it into two because there's like way too much chicken for us, but we'll cook it all up and we'll have some for lunch tomorrow as well, which would be nice. So first cooked dinner of the trip. Get a little, there'll be dinosaurs.
A dinosaur.
Get it, TJ. Get it, TJ.
Dad, wanna go get it? Close it, Dad.
Ready? You got a big. Oh.
Boop.
I want to do that like Dad did.
Go. Yeah.
What, like a juggle?
Yeah.
Like this. Ready? We go. Up. Oh.
Go.
Dad can't do it anymore.
Mom.
Yeah.
We're not going to film dinner tonight, but check out.
Mom, why are you going?
I'm washing up. Do you want to see?
No.
You don't want to show them?
No.
Because it's boring, okay? But it has to be done.
Daddy, why are you going?
I am playing with your brother.
We won't say any more about that.
He's been a little sookie la la baby. Whoa, 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 whoa.
So I've got the coffee, I've got the mugs,
Yeah, we're idiots.
I've got the milk, and then I need the jug, and then I can really get
Oscar's
on
great.
it.
The camp of many dates.
Do you want to see what I'm doing? Okay. So, because I don't, well, actually, truth be told, we're having problems with our fridge in the caravan. So, we put the milk in the car fridge, and I'm going to make coffee from the car in the morning. So I'm just getting that ready.
Oh, okay.
You're my little content creator, aren't you? Hi.
I have to sing. Where are you going? Where are you going?
I am going to go. Oh, duckies. Let's go film them.
Mom, what are you doing?
I am coming in and going to give all you kitties a bath.
What are you doing, dinosaur? What are you doing, dinosaur? Oh, I just relaxing.
Hello, Teejay.
Baby Papa, what are you doing? Baby Papa, what are you doing?
Okay, ready? What are you doing, Teejay?
I'm hanging out here with you.
With me and Jetson.
That's
Look.
why he's my baby brother.
Oh, poor Jetson got some sunburn today at the beach.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, hello.
I'm going to be cooking for the first time tonight with the induction cooker. We just got it from... Where did we get the induction cooker from?
Anaconda.
We just got it from Anaconda. It's a June, I think. Oh, wrong drawer. That's our rice cooker. My mum gave us that for Christmas. Just one of those cheapies from Kmart. They're so good. Yeah, so it's a June. So I'm going to be doing spaghetti bolognese. Tyler had the idea of cooking outside, which would be really nice. I'll have to cook the pasta inside, but that's okay. There's a really nice breeze here. This is our second stop on our lap. Currently very close to Mullumbimby in northern New South Wales. So it's all very like familiar for me because I grew up in Grafton. So it's not like we feel like we're too far away from anything at the moment. It just feels like we're kind of on a holiday. I'll let you guys know how dinner goes.
What's that noise?
This table is inconvenient. Well, that was eventful. We turned it on and I started cooking and we put it on 180 or 1800 or whatever. And it started spitting at me. It went everywhere. Went all over my face. And it burnt me. Oh. And I was like ready to give it in then. I was like, nah, I don't like it. But we'll persevere. If anyone's got any tips on how to use the induction correctly, let me know.
It went all on your face.
Yeah, on my face. It burnt. It hurt. Ouchies. Oh, goodness. Don't know if you can hear that, but that's thunder. Here's dinner. I've already started eating it because I was starving, but it tastes good. It was a bit weird cooking with the induction. Definitely not what I'm used to.
And then you see the little brown ones and the white ones, the back, the smaller ones.
Yeah.
They're called hens. They're chickens. They're the ones that lay eggs. Oh, baby. Look, and there's the rooster. There's another rooster.
Hi.
He's a big dog, that one.
Hello. Teejay, how cool.
Yeah, they're awesome. These little houses here, Teejay,
Yeah.
these have bees hiding in them. So they're bees here. This is their homes, and they make honey. So you know how you like to eat honey?
Yeah.
Honey comes from these bees in these little homes. How cool is that? Look, there's a bee there.
That's a chicken.
There is a chicken in there too. What are we looking at, Teejay?
Oh, she got him.
Wow. What do you think they're doing?
They're gonna fix his feet, hey?
They're going to help him. Yeah. Oh yeah, they're chopping his nails.
Look.
Hi.
See this one.
Look, here we go.
Oh wow. Is that awesome? Oh, they all want to come say hello. Look at his horns.
Hi.
You want a pat? TJ?
It's okay, you can have a pat.
Look, he wants a pat. Come scratch you. Look, he wants you to scratch his.
Hi. Hi, honey.
See his horns? Yeah.
He's very friendly. I think we can actually go in there.
Yeah. Well, these trees here are banana trees. See down there? See the bananas growing on them? That's where bananas come from. They grow with these trees, and we chop them off and we eat them. Wow. This big fella.
Oh, big girl.
Hmm?
I think they're girls. Like, I know there's
Pat him,
horns.
TJ, look. Look at Mum.
Good job. Isn't he gorgeous?
Dude.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
He's
I love
so
these
cool.
You do love these ones?
Hi, honey.
Dude, he's pretty awesome. Hey?
You're awesome. Aww.
That tickle his ear.
You can do it,
look,
Baba.
He likes that. Oh look, he's like, oh,
Oh, good job.
oh yeah, this guy wanted a pat. Look, that was awesome.
One day hello to the black one.
Yeah, that one's cute, isn't it?
Let's see if the little baby one will come over. Just let Dad walk in here first.
Hello. Oh, wow.
See?
Yum.
Not yet. That's
Daddy,
right.
wanna come?
Not
We're
really.
going on to talking.
We have to pack up site and then we're heading to Grafton to my mum's, which would be really nice to spend some time down there before we continue on our trip. We've actually booked a number of different places thereafter, which is really exciting to have something to look forward to because we didn't really have a plan and we still don't really have a plan, but we have booked some stuff until the end of January. I'm catching up with a couple of friends along the way as well. So I'm just gonna make some coffees. These two are having a fun morning. Hi. I'm sitting here at Mum's, very nostalgic. It's not like I haven't been here multiple times before. I don't know, it just feels a bit different being here with the van, my whole family. Tyler did a really good job of getting this van inside the driveway. I should have filmed it, but I didn't. It was just all a bit exciting and chaotic this morning when we pulled up. He did a brilliant job. He did it first go. Looks great here. We've just been chilling, been doing some editing. TJ's been playing in the pool. Haven't you, TJ? And Mum's just gone down to the shop, so we're gonna have a silver side for dinner tonight, which will be delightful. Doesn't even feel like we're traveling, but it also does. I don't know. I guess I don't know what it's supposed to feel like. Because we're spending time with family, I think it's a bit different, but it's really nice to be here, and yeah. See you later.